Hello, my name is Maria Rogova, and I'm an attorney in California, and I practice family law in San Diego County. In this video, I would like to explain you how you can ask a court to order your spouse to contribute to your attorney's fees and cost. In California, we have Family Code sections 2030, pursuant to which one spouse who earns less and cannot afford to pay for his or her attorney fees can file a motion with the court asking the court to order his or her spouse who earns more to contribute to your attorney's fees. There's two factors you must prove to the court for your request to be granted. First of all, you will have to prove that your spouse earns more than you do. You will have to show disparity in incomes. If you can show that your spouse's income is higher than yours, then you would be able to meet first factor to prove the court a first step under this code section. The next one you need to prove is that your spouse is able to pay for his or her attorney's fees and also contribute to your attorney's fees. If you're able to prove it, then the court shall order your spouse to contribute to your attorney's fees. Divorce process is usually an expensive process, and when you call me or any other attorney, one of the main questions you ask, how much would it cost me to go through divorce process? We can't answer that question because we cannot predict what your spouse would do or won't do, what kind of motions he or she will file. We just don't know, and we cannot estimate the cost. But your question is really reasonable. If I was in your shoes, I would ask the same question, but we simply cannot answer it. And I understand that divorce is quite often it's an expensive process, and sometimes one of the parties simply doesn't have any funds or the spouse has limited funds. And if you in that situation, again, you can use this code section, Family Code section 2030, to ask the court to order your spouse who earns significantly more to contribute to your attorney's fees. And again, you will have to show the judge to prove a burden is on you that your spouse earns significantly more than you do, and that your spouse who earns more can afford to pay for his her own attorney's fees and to contribute to yours. If you have any additional questions related to attorney's fees or any other questions relating to divorce process in California, please give me a call. My phone number is 619-737-3919, and we will find time to schedule consultation where I would be able to answer your further questions and to provide with any kind of clarifications or details. Thank you so much and have a nice day.